What is up, guys? It's Mark here. Welcome back to another video. Today, if you know, I'm gonna be showing you how to make a custom ring. Why am I opening this custom ringtone? As you guys see, if I can go here in my settings, go to sounds. I've got my own one. My Chinese. Right? I have a lot of stuff. Now I'm gonna show you how to make it. Let's go. First, download what's called Garage Band. It's downloading. So what you're gonna do, I'm just gonna go and show you the tutorial. I'm just gonna add one. So this will be your first screen that you're gonna come in. What would you want to do is go to live loops. You can create a new one, which is a mix of anything. I know some names, but I'm just gonna go random. If you guys don't know, I'm gonna just go random. I'm gonna go with this one, which I know it's a Chinese thingy, and I'm gonna go just write anything. H maybe. Search. Yeah, that's me. Yeah, that's cool. And no, P maybe. And now you have to record it for 30 seconds, so it's the time of your ringtone. So what you want to do is just go and press the red button. Gonna press that, and then that, and then that, and then that. You're just gonna mix it off with some of that, some of that, and then you're just gonna press that. So now what you want to do is, what here? Oh, where did my go? Yeah. And now you record it. You just go to my songs. It's recorded. It's this one. Not this one. Yeah, this one. Just gonna force touch. Go to where's the share? Oh yeah, share. Ringtone. Continue. You can name it what you want. I'm just gonna call it my name. It's for exporting my ringtone. Right? No. Yeah. I just do that, and then if I just go to my settings, if you guys see here, this is what I did. Wow, so good. So hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to do your own ringtone from YouTube. I'm gonna be researching that now, and maybe I'm gonna publish this video today. And I hope you guys enjoyed. See you all next time. Peace.